Hello beautiful YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatosin. If you're just discovering this channel for the first time, I want to say welcome. So today we're going to be talking about how you can use other people's content in your video without your channel getting demonetized and also getting copyright claim on your video. I hope you get that right. How you can use other people's content in your video without your channel getting demonetized or your video getting copyright claim at all, because I know sometimes it can be very difficult getting footage for your video, especially when you want your video to stand out. So what inspired me to make this video is because recently I was watching Vibe by Sonia's video. I think the video was actually based on the lady who was using other people's content in her video, and all of a sudden her channel got demonetized. I also think she shared her own story to how her channel was demonetized. So that got me inspired to make this video, because I believe that you can still use other people's content in your video if you want your video to stand out, because sometimes you want to pass a message across but you don't have the facial expression to do that. So using other people's content in your video can help you being able to pass that message across in a way that people will understand. So how can you use other people's content in your video without getting copyright claim or your channel getting demonetized? Let me show you how you can go about that. That is actually possible. I don't want to waste any time on this video. Honestly, I've promised that I'm not going to make a long video this time around. So I hope you go nowhere. And if you haven't given this channel a thumbs up or you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. The only way to support this channel is to subscribe right now. So let's dive into how you can use other people's content in your video. Let's go there. Okay guys, so click on the YouTube app. Go to the search engine and type in whatever you're searching for. So let's say, for instance, I'm searching for someone scrolling on their phone. Okay, it could be whatever, anything that you're searching for, just type it in. So then enter. Once you're done, click on the three dots on the right, click on search filters, click on Creative Commons and apply. It will take you to different videos, different footage that you can use in your videos. And what I do is I actually screen record and cut out the ones that I want. So all these videos are free, copyright, and will not get your channel demonetized. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope your channel gets to the stardom that you want it to get to. So all I can tell you is to keep on uploading, keep on being consistent. I know sometimes the journey can be very, very difficult, can be very, very tough, especially when you don't have someone encouraging you to keep on going. You don't know the next video that is going to blow your channel. So keep on uploading, keep on doing your best, never give up. Don't upload one video and come back the next month. Keep on uploading. Even though you're getting 0 views on that channel, on that video, keep on uploading. One day, your channel is going to blow up. People are going to know you and you'll be appreciated for the content that you're creating. If you actually watch this video from the beginning to the end, let me know what you think about this video. If this video has actually impacted you, has given you all the details that you want, and actually giving you insights to what you need to do in order to use other people's content in your video, let me know in the comment section. That can also encourage me to do more, because I know that the people watching me right now are YouTubers. It's either you're a YouTuber or you're just starting or you're about to start. If you're able to use this method, you will be able to use any content at all without worrying about being demonetized or getting any copyright claim. Please do not forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to as many who need to see it. Never can tell how much help it can be to other people out there. So thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.